IMPP.
All right, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, May 15th. Okay, let me tell you what we have going on so far this morning. I did buy some WISA right at this price, WISA. Starting off with a long position, WISA.
CFRX.
Bought into 226. Taking it light, watching for a possible breakthrough 230. May add more at 230. Watching 230. There it is, breaking. Gonna add some more here. Adding more on a breakout of WISA. Already hit target number 1, 236. Looking for 245, then possibly up to 254. Let's see what else we have this morning. All right, just bought some gold. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Bought some gold here. I'm looking for a target of 2029. All right, if we come down to around 2019, I may look to add to my long gold 2019. Go ahead, I'll put an alert in at 2019. All right, let's check a few other things. Let's check these indices. Let's check the mini Russell. And not seeing anything on the mini Russell. Let's look at the mini NASDAQ. Quiet, don't see anything on the mini NASDAQ. E-mini S&P. Don't have anything on the E-mini S&P. Natural gas had a buy earlier, but it's already gone and hit its targets, so nothing there. All right, let's check on WISA. We still are in WISA. I did add to WISA. Good morning, Glenn. How are you, sir? CFRX scanners have been really quiet this morning. CFRX. Spread's too big on CFRX, not enough volume. I don't see anything there. BBLN. BBLN. The LRO, that was from last week as well. It's like CLRO wants to come down some more. CLRO, TCRX, nothing on TCRX. All right. Long gold, long WISA. So we hit target number one. Next target is 245. Target number two, 245. Then possibly up to 254. All right, just gonna look at a few other things here. LMFA. Keep it on the radar. I don't want to get into anything yet on LMFA, but we're going to keep that on the radar this morning. Let's see what else we have here. Just looking over my scanner, see what's active. ALGS. Nope, ALGS looks like it wants to work lower. Not seeing a whole lot else here.
AGBA.
GSIT. And it's like that wants to work lower. LMFA. Still nothing there. NGOL, nothing. ALGS. LRMA. LRMR. That is potential. I'm gonna watch that. Might be interested in this LRMR if we can get up to 420. Yeah, we'll watch LRMR 420. Like to see a little bit more volume come in there, tighten up on the spread. We got a 7-cent spread on LRMR. Only 400,000 shares. Well, I'll get that. We need to get that up a little bit higher. FCEL, I'm not seeing it. Take that off the radar. PUBM. I like the charts on PUBM, but I'm just spread is like 50-cent spread, no volume. No go. MGNI. Not a bad looking chart, but I'll go there. OS. CR, no volume. More time. BM. If this heats up, that may be a player later. We're gonna watch that. You know, watch LRMR. That's one that could possibly start heating up here after the opening bell. Gonna keep an eye on that. Still in WISA, very quiet. Looking for a possible nice pop here. If we can just hang in here and not go too further. Not go down too far here. Have a nice little run here after the opening bell. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. Still long. WISA. Let's take a look at our gold. All right, still on gold. Possible add at 2019. All right, looks like we're gonna be pretty quiet here going into the opening. So let's go. So those that are watching us on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, if you hit that notification bell, we'll keep you updated on any new videos that are coming out. So small disclaimer, once again, this is for educational purposes only. Do not blindly follow me or anybody for that matter on YouTube. Also, keep in mind that trading is very risky, so never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Always practice in a simulator before you trade with real money. Getting close to possibly added on this gold. I need to see it dip below 2019. I'm going to go ahead and add on my long gold. Got a small Dow up 37. Definitely, we're going to get a higher opening here. CTIC, I don't see anything. CTIC is just not one I want to touch. VIMD. Too big of a spread, could go higher. Check my favorite, JDST. So JDST could pull back a little bit in here, so we'll keep an eye on JDST as I always do. I see a little bit more pullback here. I'd be interested in JDST up here around 590. 590. I'm putting a little alert up there, 590 on JDST. And if we hit it, we'll take a look and see how things look. Thanks. Still watching LRMR. Not seeing anything yet on LRMR. As you can see, no activity. Not a whole lot going on this morning, folks. All right, so in the meantime, if anybody would like me to take a look at a particular stock, I'd be glad to run it through my patterns, see if I see any setups. And maybe we can also get some Einstein targets. It's very quiet. So we have about another 9 minutes before the opening bell, looking for possible nice little run on WISA after the opening. Glenn, did you want to look at coin? I know that's one you keep an eye on, kind of coin. Coin looks like it's coming down. Yeah, I don't see any buys on coin. It does look like it wants to pull back down some more. Out of 59. $35. We'll see a little bit more of a pullback in here on COIN. You love coin, huh? Yeah, looks like it's going to pull back a little bit more. And let's look at a little bit, few more things here. CLRO. CLRO looks like that's going to be coming down some more. AGBA. Yeah, I would like to see some more volume in AGBA, but I think it has some potential. All right, I could see some more run on LMFA. I want to buy a little bit of LMFA. Put a light position on. Now let's get some targets up here. All right, 136. $144. What else? Any more patterns? You have one up here at 150. All right, about 3 minutes here before the opening bell. Long LMFA and also long WISA. Would expect one of those to have a nice little run. GOL. No. LAZR. That definitely has some potential. That could run. Like to see.
INK2.
Like to see that spread tighten up just a little bit on it, though. Let's see. Right, 2 minutes now before the opening bell. Thirty seconds to go. We'll see if we can get that pop on LMFA.
INK2.
All right, opening bell.
IPS. ASPE.
Dow's up 32.
PALT. UEIC. PALI. PCTI. CFRX. BHAT. UNCY. EYPT. PRAR. FARN. TLYS.
Checking WISA.
CHEK. IBD.
WISA is running.
ARN.
LRMR just triggered. Let's take a look at that. I just triggered up here at 420. Can't take it, too late. All right, I want to watch LMFA and WISA.
EVER.
All right, that was WISA. Adding a little bit more to WISA.
EVLBW.
I added more at 230.
APN. UBX.
Starting to run. 241. That next target is 245. And then possibly up to 254.
EVLBW. EVER.
At target number 245. Let's see if we can get up to 54. We're going to watch it now that we got through 2 levels. Looking for there's 254. Roll through 260.
UBX. INAB. UBS.
Watching up here around 260. Making profits. Got out of WISA. Took my profit on the run up.
GSRT.
All right, let's see what LMFA. LMFA. Quiet. Still long LMFA.
INAB.
Gold, still on gold.
UGRO.
A little above my entry, that yellow line right here is that entry, my entry point. It's an HF1 buy. Never came down the 2. I was going to add it 2019, never came, got close, didn't quite make it.
EYPT. INNX.
Let's look at WISA. Let's see what it's doing. Yeah, got out up here. I'm already out. Let's see, it's setting up some additional targets, but I do not want to re-enter.
UEIC. ACHV.
And possibly up to 275.
UEIC. CHV. ELDE. INAB.
Possibly up to 275. All right.
APN.
Need to watch this LMFA. Let's see what LRMR is doing.
UGRO.
Had a buy at 20. I did not get into it. Not liking it all that much right now. Volume's still a little bit light on it. That may heat up. We may still have an opportunity on that. So I'm going to wait on that. Checking my JDST.
AP.
I like to see that JDST coming through on that 590. May consider buying JDST. Look at GSIT. No, GSIT is coming down. I don't see anything on GSIT. MGOL was another one I was watching.
ENCP.
MGOL looks like it wants to come down as well.
UFI. CHV.
All right, not seeing much. IMGN, nothing. Hit some earlier targets, but I'm not trading IMGN. All right, let's peek at our,
AYPT.
let's look at our indices again. Possible buy coming up on RTY, but it's gonna have to run up. Let's see. This is the E-mini. This is the mini Russell. E-mini Russell. Well, come on, RTY. I'd like to see it come up to at least 1759 for a possible buy. I'll put an alert up there, 1759.
AMCP.
All right, we get up to 1759. I'm going to consider buying this RTY. It would be an HF1 buy.
HCVI. EAST.
Yeah, 1759. I'd love to buy that at 1759.
HC.
That I really like there. Still not liking that. LRMR.
UGRO.
What's LMFA? I'm still along this LMFA. It's not really doing much.
HCVI. ESIT.
Better.
ABEO.
See a little bit more activity coming into LMFA. We can't start running on LMFA. I'm going to go ahead and get out of it.
XBIO.
All right, starting to heat up a little bit. Let's see if we can get moving.
ELEV. UBX.
We already hit target number one, looking for target number two. 144, then we go up to 150. Like the volume spike. Let's see if we can hold in here.
EAST.
ASPX.
HCDI.
EYPT. APEI.
See if this buy-in in here can hold it up. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and get out. Got out of LMFA, just couldn't get through it. Only hit target number one. Let's see. All right, looks like it's going to come down here.
UBX.
Get some targets on the downside. Let's see if we get a bounce. All right, I can show it. I'm out flat. I'm already out of LMFA. We could come down to. Now could come down to $1.
UGRO.
Which could then bring it down to 97 cents. Getting cheap. So I don't want to touch it below $1, so we're out of that. All right, so right now we're holding on the gold.
HCDI.
All right, still on our gold.
Here, HC.
All right, watch the mini NASDAQ. I may be interested in mini NASDAQ if we can get down to 133.57, 133.57 and a half, somewhere down here. All right, gold's finally on the move. Let's look at our gold. Looking for that 29 target on gold. Let's look at JDST. No, I'm not liking JDST anymore. I like it if we got up to 590, but scratch that, no more. I have to wait on JDST. Today may not be the day. CLRO. Still think CLRO is going lower. That was on the radar last week, but it looks like it wants to come down. Okay, mini Russell, Dow's down 103. I'll take this buy up here at mini Russell at 1759. I'm getting a short here though. I'm getting a pretty tight short. Stop's gonna be pretty tight, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a mini Russell short. I'll get out if it hits 1759. And I have a much lower target down here at 1744. I make that an HF3 short. All right, tight stop on this. On the mini Russell, I'll reverse at 1759, target 1744. Still on gold, waiting to see if we can get up here to target. We're sitting at what, 26, trying to get out of 29. All right, things are pretty much quieted down here. Let's look at GOL. Yeah, MGOL looks like it wants to go lower. GOL. See that coming down to about 540. I'm sorry, 140. All right, MGOL down to probably 140. All right, wow, we are already past the top of the hour, folks. That's going to wrap it up for today. If you like a little bit more information on my trading strategy, you can go to my website, innovatortradingstrategies.com, or check out all my videos. Got over 1,000 videos sitting on YouTube right now at Innovator Trading Strategies. That's it. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you first thing tomorrow morning.